Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new to our channel, we are Chapter, a full-service renovation company powered by technology based in New York City and Miami. If you enjoy watching home transformation videos and learning some tips and tricks about renovating, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Today's video is all about making your bathroom renovation a success. We've got all the tips and tricks you need, so let's dive right in. Plan. When you're planning your bathroom renovation, it's essential to take the time to think things through. Your first step is to create a detailed plan that includes your budget, timeline, and a list of features and fixtures you want to include. If you're feeling overwhelmed, consider hiring a professional to help you with the planning process. When it comes to choosing the layout and fixtures, remember to prioritize functionality over style. Ensure that everything is easy to use and maintain, and that the layout makes sense for your needs. Invest in high-quality materials. Investing in high-quality materials like porcelain tiles, quartz countertops, and moisture-resistant cabinetry will pay off in the long run, as they'll last longer and require less maintenance than cheaper alternatives. You might think you are saving money when you get the cheaper materials, but that will only end up costing you more in the long run because you will have to replace them. If you want to save money and reduce your environmental impact, consider incorporating energy-efficient features like low-flow toilets, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater. Storage. Storage is also a key in any bathroom renovation, so make sure to include plenty of built-in cabinets, shelves, and drawers to keep everything organized and clutter-free. Storage solutions can increase the functionality of your bathroom. For example, a vanity with drawers can provide extra storage space and make it easier to get ready in the morning. Lighting. Lighting is another essential element to consider. If possible, try to incorporate as much natural light as possible to enhance the look and feel of your bathroom. It will highlight the features, thus making the space feel brighter and more inviting. It's also a great idea to add task lighting around the vanity and shower areas. Task lighting will illuminate specific areas, making it easier to see and perform tasks like applying makeup, shaving, or washing. It can also be customized to your needs, allowing you to choose the type of lighting and brightness level that works best for you. Neutral color schemes. Do you want your bathroom to have that elegant feel to it? Then a neutral palette is what you are looking for. Colors like white, gray, or beige will create a timeless and elegant look that can easily be updated with new accessories and decor in the future. Remember, taking the time to plan and invest in high-quality materials and energy-efficient features will pay off in the long run, making your bathroom renovation a success. So, there you have it, some tips and tricks for a successful bathroom renovation. Let us know which tip you liked best in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And I'll see you in the next one.